Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Victoria community. Before starting the review of with another interesting and amazing platform, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So guys, let's start the review now. Welcome to the dog mob. This is very unique and interesting. I will explain each and everything about the dog mob, how you can buy this token, how you can stake, and how you can get rewards, and how you can get prizes by voting you are in the community, and how you can trade and how you can get benefit from this amazing and unique platform. So guys, don't miss any part of this video, and I have placed all my official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can get all interface of about dog mob. So guys, this is the dog mob interface. Here you can see there the smart contract on BSC BNB. Here you can copy this and you can buy this amazing token. So what is the dog mob? It brings stability to unpredictable altcoin landscape. So guys, this is the about 1 billion coins total supply of the dog mob. Here you can see this is the meme coin, which stands out by embracing the meme status and positioning itself as a speculative investment of those looking to ride and meme wearing during that all the seasons. So this is the dog mob arcade. Here you can see how you can guys, how you have to play and you can earn free, play free, and you can submit your beggar to enter a prize pool, and here you can share the prize pool and draw every Friday at 7 UTC. You have to simply play and you can get weekly prize pool, and this is on every Friday, and this is the golden chance. You have to don't miss this opportunity. You have to must join. So this is the stake top mob, how you can stake and you can start your additional earning by dog mob token by staking the holds of this dog mob. So guys, this is the tokenomics. Here you can see there is no fee, zero fee on buy, on sell, or on transfer. So it's very beneficial for you. And here you can see the symbol of the dog mob, and this is a symbol of the dog mob, and here you can see the total supply, which is 1 billion and chain on. This is the basically BSC on chain, basically on the. And here you can how to buy dog mob. There is a very easy way to buy a dog mob on the DEX and CEX. Here is also the, you can see on Bitmart, Pancake Swap, Max, and Gate.io. So here you can see there the daily reviews of values of the dog mob token. Guys, here also the dog mob governance about their innovation that meets their community. So guys, here you have to just join our platform, and you have to get their features, a dedicated discussions board, and where dog mob holders can submit their dog mob improvement proposal. You can participate in the community and you can discuss the view of the community, and you can give your proposal for the dog mob community, what is you are thinking about the dog mob. And here you have to simply guys, you have to submit your vote, and all of the dog mob holders use has a voice and vote in deciding the direction of the project, where it is going and how it's are going on the, it's soon to be the moon. As we know, it's completely bluish project guys, and you have to must join their community, and you have to submit your vote, you have to submit your suggestions in our discussion community. So here are our partners, that is got bit index tools, fresh coins, listing guru, and also the coin brain. This is our the amazing roadmap, and there is all about initial, past, future development about the mob roadmap. Here you can see when their official website launch, and when their pink sale launch, and when they listed on the pancake swap, their listing on the all exchanges, also their social medias campaigns and their partners about Amas. And here you can see it is divided into different phases, and it will be completed in different phases. Here you can analyze all about their roadmap, and this is the our ongoing focus which we have regularly analyzed and meme trends, engagement metrics, and overall about meme cultures, and also adopt the roadmap based on evolving memes landscape. And there they have also addressed concern permanently and involve the community in meme related decision making process. This is the our basically ongoing focus on the dog mob, guys, and these are the our very brilliant and hard working team that have got make the project very successful, and they will be doing more hard work for this dog mob. And these are the Danny Hardy, which is the father of the founder of the dog, and this is the Peter, CTO Fresh Coins, advisor of our team, and this is the Thusar, which is our community leader of the dog mob. So this is our brilliant and hardworking team. This is the Hi, I am Dog Mob, and here you can see it is a step to herd our vibrant community where passions for all things crypto and excitements. Our community is basically a dynamic hub of crypto enthusiasts, meme lovers, and adventurers and investors who share a common goal to ride the waves of all season with Dog Mob. So it is for the all of the season here, guys. Guys, this is the our all social medias account: Twitter, Telegram, Coin Market Cap, Facebook. So you have to must join these all social medias account. You can get all upcoming news information about Dog Mob here. So guys, this is the dog mob on the famous exchange on Kate.io. Here you can see how you can trade and add spot and how you can get benefit more on this amazing platform. So guys, here you can see their completely bluish crop and how it's pumping is the price of the dog mob in USDT. Here you can see which is 0.04396, and it is guys very low price, and you can buy this and you can trade also this, and when their value will be up you can get more benefits from this platform, and you can earn a lot of profit and you can use in the trade also, guys. So here you can see their prices and their all about the total, and here you can see there the market price also, their total amount in USDT. So guys, you have to must join this platform and you have to invite your family and friends. So here you can see, guys, how you can start trade on this amazing platform. So you have to just join this amazing platform so you can get VIP different levels and you can get up more profit in this amazing platform. So there is a 50% off in there, the all tires of the on gear dog mob. So guys, here you can trade, also purchase, also deposit, and on all upgrade of levels of this amazing token. So guys, here is the also about the project introduction where which I have described early in the video, and there is the also introduction of about our founders 10ERT. Here you can see that how they are working, and they are joined the crypto world since 2014. This is our founder of the dog mob that founded and ran an exchange in basically Australia for several years, and before focusing on projects and constantly exploring new possibilities. So he's all about of the dog mob platform, their founders, and here you can how you can start up free offering on the dog mob. Here you can start with how you can purchase price and start up supply unlock rule. This is the all highlight visions of the dog mob. And there is the governance also about their growing ecosystem, Web3 game integration, and also stake and earn program also available that I have also described, and about their loyal community where you can have to join and you have to give your suggestions and you can get reward prizes. So you have to engage the community and you have committed to on the project. success also. And here is also available the all clear roadmap which ensure all innovative products and project development. And I have also described about the tokenomics, and this is the all technical overview of token and token allocations. Their initial circulation is 49.95%, CX and market making which is 5.5%, team and advisors which is 11.56. So guys, ecosystem incentive is the 10%, and marketing operation potentials for burn proposal 20%, and reserve for 2.99%. And this is the initial circulation which is about 49.95%. Also their CEX and marketing team and advisor which is 11.56, and ecosystem incentives which is 10%, and locked 30% unlock at telegram, and also they are 10% of the 30 cycles traders, and marketing operation reserve which is 2.9% lock guys. So guys, here you can also trade, you can get lucky draw VIPs. So this is very beneficial for you, and I recommend you to must join this amazing platform. So guys, how you can swap or exchange, this is on pancake swap. Here you have to simply select PNB, and which is the total amount how you can amount used and how much tokens you have to buy. You have to simply select, you have to connect your wallet, and you can buy on pancake swap easily guys. So guys, this is the our official Twitter account of the dog mob. So you have to simply follow this. I am also following, and here is the all news and information about their listing on PancakeSwap, Bitmart Exchange, Max Official, also on their Gate.io. You can get in this. Official account, official community, you can get all information about this amazing platform. So you have to must join there also this community. And guys, this is our telegram community, you have to must join, and you can get all upcoming updation about our dog mob community. You can get all upcoming information about the dog mob. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching.